Hey, it's Veit. Welcome to my channel where we talk about UX design, AI tools, and all the cool tech that adds to our creative vibes. We are exploring tools from creating images and sounds to practical video tricks. And guess what? We are not just talking about it. We could be doing it together with straightforward, easy tutorials and showcases. But hang on, there is more. We will also check out the latest tools to make our work lives easier. Think project management hacks and collaboration platforms that will make your workflow smoother. Ready to roll with me? Hit subscribe, remember that bell thing, and join my little community of design enthusiasts. So grab a seat and let us jump into the awesome world of design and technology. See you in the next video.